Introducing the Magical Butter 4-Pack, bringing precision, options, and extras to your extractions. This 4-pack kit includes 3 different filter bags, ranging in micron filtration, and the Silicone Love Glove. The Love Glove is a 100% non-stick silicone glove that perfectly combines durability, protection, and grip. The Love Glove is heat-resistant up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and 121 degrees Celsius, keeping your hands safe while working with hot extractions. The lack of porous material allows for sanitary cooking preparation and makes your Love Glove easy to clean. Straining is the final step in finishing your extraction. The Purify filters make it so your extraction comes out ideal every time. The Purify filter bags are durable and reusable nylon micron filter bags for easy filtering of your extractions. Selected micron filters allow liquid to pass through while capturing unwanted sediment. Made with precision, fine-woven nylon mesh. Micron sizes indicate filter precision, with smaller numbers having finer filtration which reduces sediment flow. The larger micron openings allow for increased levels of sediment flow depending on your extraction. Durable construction holds up to the most rigorous squeezing, delivering every last drop and maximizing your yield. The 4-pack Purify filter bags and Love Glove combo kit by Magical Butter.